Mae'n bwysig I pobl gwybod beth sy'n digwydd yn yr economi a hefyd mae'n helpu chi ragweld unrhyw pethau mawr sy'n mynd I digwydd. Efallai os ti'n prynu tŷ, ti'n gallu gweld am cyfraddau llog.
I think it would be a good subject to do at university because it's not just about money. I know some people think that, but it's also about why people decide things.
Yn fy marn I, fel astudio fewn y Phrifysgol yn rhywbeth dda, oherwydd ti'n deall lle mae arian chi'n mynd a ti'n deall mwy am ein gwlad ni.
Young people, they should be, trying to see what they want to do in the future, and I think economics really helps them understand what job paths they should take.
Helo, Hugh Thomas ydw I. Dwi wedi bod yn gweithio yn Ysgol Gyrru'n Cymru am tua 19 mlynedd fel athro economeg. Mae'n wych cael gweld cymaint o siaradwyr gwag o cefndiroedd gwahanol. Yn yr un modd, mae jyst yn neis cael profiad o amrediad gwahanol, o swyddi gwahanol, I gobeithio sbardino a cymell dysgwyr ni I dewis gradd neu hyd yn oed apprenticeship mewn economeg.
I'm Amelia Thomas. I teach at Thrysorlys High School and I've brought my GCSE Year 10 class here today. We talk about career paths in school, but I don't have lived experience of what those career paths look like. And I think it's been fantastic to see a diverse group of speakers today from many different companies speak to my students about where economics can take them as well.